welcome again to our Pidgin podcast. My name is Convivia, your favorite host, and our favorite guest, my mama, Mrs. Gloria.
Hey, we don't come again. We don't learn.
Now so my people. So today, my people, I want to call you know that what happened to me a few weeks ago. So I can't read. I won't go sleep in the evening. We get this family group chat for WhatsApp. I won't go sleep now. I can't go write for them. Say good night. I love you guys. Now so I be say I be there caring. Now so I see everybody just dey write me. My brother just dey write. Convivia, everything dey okay. You need to talk to person. Wetin happen? My sister even talk say be say I wan die. The next day my mama, my papa they call me say Convivia, everything dey okay. Wetin happen? My brothers and my sisters. Now only I love you, I tell them, oh, I love you, good night. Now I wan understand why we say we be Africans or rather Nigeria. I don't know as I want to put it. Okay, make I put them in my own way, no? In the sense that why we say my family, I don't know whether now so all African families be, so that me I not too generalize. My own family be say you just express love. Everybody they say you know they okay. Whether you don't they die, mommy, how you say see that thing like? Why we not they express love? Why we not they like we not they show affection? Why?
My sister, not be today. Not be today start.
When it starts, oh yeah, now yeah me the story.
Because ever since you were born, your brothers, you never tell them say the life one person can't dey live. Now you get some certain talk when you go talk, they say you think go make you open mouth. Wetin happen? Why my sister go come send me this kind?
Mommy, wait oh. So they normal for me to dey express my love towards my brothers.
That is na the first time be that one. If na you go still surprise. You understand me?
Okay, make I tell you now the waiting day behind that message self. Like I come the reason and say this coronavirus thing, everything where they happen, many people just they die. Like I come the reason say the time where person get for earth now. Why like we know my brothers no say I love them even though I don't come meet them now tell them say I love you. They no say I love them like I feel go extra mile for them. But that one wey be say that they express love, we not they do that one. So me now, I can't want start and say why I not fit tell person when I really care about say I care about you. I need to then make am dey like okay I know say you get am for mind. Yes, you get that from, but that one not there enough for me from my own point of view. It still need maybe say person go they express his feelings, he go they express so why not gonna say maybe I don't they die or maybe something one the other they happen.
You know say we Africa now the way when we take grow now the area when we for grow now be that one. We in terms of say I love you. We hardly tell your pikin or any your brothers or your sister I love you. Let me shock you with one story. When I was very small, those days. So that time, if a girl want go marry, if they don't do the thing, say now one person go just go carry one person come, they will go ask you, this man you love her? You go say yes. The man you love the girl? Yes. Marriage don't come, don't set. So they will come out. Guess wetin the mother go dey tell people for her. If they ask am, where sister Maggie? Mama Maggie, where Maggie? He go say Maggie travel, he wan go greet his sister.
Why?
Or he wan go. They don't want tell person say he don't marry. That was then, those days. When they grow, they come. Until that person go come born. If he come born pikin now then you say he go carry that native child, they dance. His daughter don't born. But people go hear for rumors say the daughter na marry. So without this thing, you wan go greet his sister. Everybody go come know say that person he don't marry. And again, that I love you when you dey talk. Even men for Nigeria, not be nowadays this thing e dey hard to tell your wife say I love you.
I know say like people go dey talk say na person no need to use mouth tell you say I love you, na action go dey speak. Na lie. Okay, make I talk from my own point of view. Me, I be person wey be say even though you dey do things say you dey make me dey understand, I wan hear am from your mouth. Like sometimes I dey feel say I need hug. I tell my sister say, Donatella, do you know like since when you don grow up like this we never even hug each other? You know wetin my sister tell me? My sister tell me say the strange thing go be say me and I go hug. Wetin we go dey hug for? Imagine guys, like mom, why you think say this thing dey happen? I love you, na I come cause all these things, say all of una come dey call me the next morning, come here, you dey okay? You sure say everything dey work well?
You need to call you.
Why una go dey call me? Mommy, it's just
Because for midnight you carry phone dey write message. I love you all.
Good night.
Good night. Where you dey go dey write message like that? You get as if because it sounds strange.
why you go sound strange?
Because the world wey we come dey today, e no dey easy for person. You go just carry phone write say I love you or good night. Wetin my sister see? Wetin you wan go do? Wetin you wan go do? Oh, na wetin put dem for panic be that, because no be wetin una dey used to.
No,
una never write that kind message to each other before. Had they been you wan do am make people make them cool down, you for tell them say, hey, bros, as from today una see the way when world dey be now, the thing dey pay me for mind ever since. I no know as I take express am. Now I want to dey tell una I love you all, good night. If you talk am that way, e go dey understandable. This one wey you don carry phone for midnight dey tell people say I love you all, good night.
Mommy, no, because you know this sickness wey dey around now, this coronavirus and everything. So I can't just dey think. I was like, you know, most times person no say you love am, person no say you really do care about am, but it's for me sometimes it's still dey necessary to still use mouth dey express wetin you dey feel for somebody. Like okay, if for example now, why e be say people wey dey romantic relationship fit dey tell each other I love you, why siblings no go fit dey tell each other I love you without say like they go dey feel say the person wan die?
Because e dey new to them.
Okay.
They no dey used to that.
Well, it's understandable, sha.
Let me tell you one thing. Those days when we small, if girl don reach to marry, you know, those days to marry, no be this one now when boy and a girl go waka dem say dem dey study each other, whether na wetin dem dey study, whether na science abi biology. I no know when dem dey study. I no know, at times dem no go graduate. Dem go dey study to come out of it, dem no fit graduate. You understand me? So those days just carry person come, person go just dey when go between the two, go just come say that woman pikin dem dey okay o. If you marry for that family, na better family, na band family, na people when they know, dem go carry the man come. You never see am before. You no know the road wey they take dey go their house. They go don ask you, they go call you, come down, tell you say, my pikin, my daughter, na because of you na this man come. As you see am so, this man, you love am? You go just say yes.
How you go dey? How you no, this is insane. How you go take talk say person wey you just call your husband, you say I love him, but somehow if you be say the two people don't meet before, no?
No.
You never meet before. They'll just call you, call say this man there for you. You just say.
You like to marry this man? Yes.
Really?
Na so married dey that time. Even my elder sister, na so dem take marry. So yeah, they marry like that. Na so it dey be that time.
But when we come back to our main topic, like why we no go fit make am? Why we no fit normalize and say like, okay, as we be family, we fit still dey hug sometimes. As we be family, we fit still write each other say I love you. We first know say we love each other. Everybody know. Like for example now my mom. Now only one day my mom don tell me say I love you. Tivo you bene. He write am for me for like this my birthday, so this my birthday this January. Now let that day my mom, since when I know my mom, now my mom don't tell me say I love you. I mean not panic now. I think say maybe you want that, now make you tell me say I love you. But one will not feel like normalize this thing. You know, then normal to just they tell your siblings say, okay, I care about you. For me, you know what this thing be say. Sometimes see, they make if how I think now like this, if you know they draw person close to you, if you know they show person affection, the person no go feel dey so comfortable or so relaxed to come dey tell you some kind things.
That one when you dey talk now, sis, when you know me now, that day I tell you say ti voglio bene, I never try. I don't tell you. You never tell me say me voglio bene.
Mommy!
Since when I know your papa, when I marry your papa, since when, you know, we don't pass 30 years now. Your papa never say, I love you one day. So even say my wife, if they had left alone say, to say my wife, if they had, not be only for me to say
my husband. You go be like they heavy for mouth, right?
For English, for person, as we dey speak the pidgin now, if you say na my husband,
well, if you dey talk to person,
I fit talk am like that. Say I go just dey say my husband, he heavy pass. I
know, not be only you. Most people, I don't still read this thing. Say some people go say, "How the thing just too heavy for my."
It's too heavy. I just say my husband. See, my dear sister, now where we find ourselves.
But we can change things. We can be better. Like why? Why we not fit do better? Must we dey follow? I don't know about other people.
We need to practice it.
I know be I start there.
No. You not bring the something come table now.
Okay, we need to the narrator on top of table.
We go carry and come family meeting. Come. See, mommy, daddy, my brother, see what happen. Since when I was born, nobody don't ever hug anybody for this. I mean, you just say, hey, no, I love you, no. But we don't they do for this thing. You know, say we Africa now opposite thing we they do. For you to just carry and come, no. The way when you tell they do the thing, you go know say really that person love you. So I if you recall, I tell you before say I know say like most people now they go tell me say it depend like if person don't they already show you with action say in love you, why you go call me to no I be human being. I they talk from my own view. If even though you love me, I need to hear say sometimes you go tell me say you go write me message say I love you. You know say sometimes if for example you dey go through something now, you no wan even tell person. You get the kind way where the person go take dey talk to you, you go come feel say okay maybe I fit confide in this person. You no understand? No, e dey if you wan still relate to your person. The way we do and the way when we take grow. Person wey be say you with am dey talk, you see am say the person, the way when take dey follow you do something or the way when take dey talk to you, you go know really this person he love me somehow. You fit relate to that person, tell am some certain things. Do you know what? This love of a thing, I don comot for brothers and sisters own. Na husband and wife wey dey come. E get some when dem go dey love you, dey kiss you. For where people dey, go dey kiss you. If you be person when e put lipstick for mouth, e go clean, e go use the tongue clean am comot. Dey love you. E go dey harm you, go dey love you, that kind person go come. No.
I understand where you dey go in the sense that no be say like person dey tell you say I love you mean say he really love you.
Yeah.
No, wetin I dey talk be say now say I understand where you dey come from. I don even first talk am before. Wetin me dey try dey bring be say okay we dey show through our actions say okay this person I really do care about you, you know all those kind things. But words still need to for me I need make person dey remind me daily say he love me. I need make person be say like he go hug me once in a while. I call me anyone way you want call me, but Me, I need those things for my life.
But you say this year for your birthday, I write down Guriti Volubana. You don't say person when you tell you now. You
they talk. No, I say you.
You not call me daddy.
Yeah?
I know you they ask me say because you say good night, I love you guys. Everybody they panic. Who know wetin you want go do? Now when they break, when they just tell me that I carry phone.
Even my dad.
I say wetin happen for this rumor when I dey hear. So e reach to panic, but e get the way wey the thing go when you take say I love you guys. This one wey you do na wrong way. When this pandemic dey, everybody dey fear wey be say person dey think e head dey heavy. Another person just carry phone for midnight dey tell you say I love you guys. Since we were born, you never say I love you one day. This very day wey be say everybody dey this pandemic, wetin how this thing wan dey frustrate people, dey frustrate everybody. Everybody wey dey penda go front before na back dem dey go penda dey go. You just carry phone for midnight dey tell person say I love you guys. Say this one get plan. This one get plan.
No, my people, may una let me know because me I don't understand all these people wetin dem dey talk. May una let me know whether me I do wrong to carry phone, right? My brothers and my sisters say, ha, I love you now, good night, I wan go sleep. Not only my brother girlfriend even get sex for all those chats. She tell me say, I love you too, Convivia, I really needed this message. Now let she understand me, the rest they panic. Why?
I go panic. I tell you, I don't want to repeat am like radio. If that one say, Convivia, I really need it, that one they used to all those things. If she tell you, we not be, because they know as we dey grow, we not get all those affection.
Okay, now.
Say,
but mommy, we can do better. We fit do better.
We not be the one when you just wake up, you go just show when like show. You want go put on for inside hot water, make it burn people. When people go dey panic, when people go just sit down and just say, hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Okay, now my people.
Tell me, my mind fly. Say where this girl dey go? Wetin happen? Where you dey go? Come back, my daughter.
Okay, my people, I'm not judge this thing, no. We don't come to the conclusion of this podcast today. So my people, now don't see as my mom think and say I don't feel just wake up in the morning, just go there right there, say I love you. But now still tell me what you think, have you mommy?
And so my brothers and sisters, man, our person go just wake up, wetin never talk before, he go just throw where he go put people for panic. No, na still judge am o, but this sweet argument we no just eat time when we want eat time no gree permit us. Abeg, make una subscribe.
Yes.
Make una hit that button.
Yes.
Thumbs up.
Yes.
Like. Mother and daughter. Thank you everybody. We love you all. Thank you. Bye.
See the next one.